Hi friends, welcome back. Saxon 76, we are talking about the fourth edition. We're talking about lesson 9 today, the number line, ordering and comparing, putting things on a number line. So from the least to greatest, we want to take these three numbers and let's put them on a number line like this. If I said that this was 110, 120, and then a bunch of things in here, so I'm going to do a little that little line there is showing that I'm breaking it up. And then I say like this is 200 and this is 210, right? Because I don't want to have to draw the whole big line. I guess I could, but remember, I'm lazy. I like to do the easiest thing possible. So 121 is going to be like right here. 121. 112 is going to be like right here. 112. And then 211 is going to be over here. So putting these in order from least to greatest is 112, 121, 211. I am okay if you don't want to do that on a number line. That's fine. I think some of the questions might ask you to. Okay, when we are talking about comparing numbers, we're asking you to do less than, greater than, or equals. For the longest time, I couldn't remember which was which sign. I had to think, okay, the alligator's opening to the larger number, so it's less than this or greater than. This is how you do it. If it looks like an L, do you see how that looks like an L? That means it's less than. If it doesn't look like an L, it's greater than, and then equals you're familiar with. So 5,012 and then 5,102, this one is going to be greater. So 5,012 is less than because it looks like an L. 5,102. All right, let's talk about this. This goes back to our order of operations a few lessons ago. 16 divided by 8 is going to be 2. 2 divided by 2 gives me 1. Now this one we want to do the parentheses first. So 16 divided by 4 gives me 4. Which one's larger? This one is less than this one, right? So this guy over here is 16 divided by 8 divided by 2 is less than 16 divided by quantity, which just means parentheses, 8 divided by 2. All right, 1/4 is less than, So when you're talking about converting between English and math, if you see less than, means subtraction. If you see is less than, we're talking about this, okay? So 1/4 is less than, make it look like an L. See, there's my L. 1/2. And that makes sense, because do you want 1/4 of a pizza or do you want 1/2? I want 1/2. Okay, here's your practice problems. Go ahead and do those. Sorry about this. I messed up when I was writing it. Go ahead and do those. Come on back and let's make sure you got them right. All right, for A, we want to go from the smallest to the largest. Notice these last two, we're comparing dollars. This one is cents. We have to convert that in order to be all comparing the same thing. So 12 cents written with the dollar symbol is like this, 0.12, right? This one is $12. And remember, in visible math, if the decimal is not shown, it is at the end. Because there are 2 digits behind here, I'm going to put 2 digits here. So, and I'll put a 0 in the front here. And then $1.20. So now it's a lot easier to compare. Which one's smaller? 12 cents. Then $1.20. And then $12. Okay, let's take a look at these guys. Let's compare these. 16 minus 8 is 8 minus 2, which is 6. 16 minus quantity, 8 minus 2 is 6, which gives me 10. So we're going to be using the less than symbol because it looks like an L. All right, so 8 divided by 4 is 2 times 2. I'm always worried I'm going to make a mistake. If I do, just put it in the comments below. 2 times 2 is 4. 8 divided, like a silly mistake. Gosh, it's so annoying. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1. So this time it does not look like an L, so it's greater than. So this garbage is greater than this garbage over here. 2 times 3 or 2 plus 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. So we're going to say greater than because it doesn't look like an L. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So 1 times 1 times 1 is less than 1 plus 1 plus 1. All right, 1 is greater than. 1/2 is greater than. So we don't want to go like this because that would look like an L. We want to do the other way. 1/4. Bam, there you go. Those are your answers. It was just that easy for this lesson. If you have questions, leave them below. Otherwise, I will see you next time.